Hello and welcome to this new series. I'm your host, Strict Aphid, and today we're going to be baking a pie. So this is now Strict Bakes. No, this is not April Fool's. I just randomly want to do this. So here we are. I added water into the mixture of flour, and as you see, I did wrong. I should have put the butter in first, then water. But who cares? I put the butter in as well, and everything started to get clumpy up and like dough. And I'm here now spreading it out here and flatten it with a glass because I don't own a rolling pin. And now we skip over to putting it in the pan because I didn't have the footage of me putting it in and just rolling around the edges trying to make it smooth and nice because it wasn't all correct. And just keep spreading it around. Make all them corners nice. Like that. Yes. And then we add the filling. Now I'm going to spread it around with a fork to make it even layer around. This is apple, by the way. It's just been in a mason jar for a while. And then I went and made another batch I didn't record and putting the top on now of the dough. And try to make it clean around the edges so nothing really hangs off. And yeah, you want to pat it just in case it's sad. Then stab it with a knife. That's so it opens up and has that little pie look in the middle. I put 4 of these. They were not really equal. That's what they look like. Then I took a fork to the edges to give it that look all the way around. Here's what it looks like once it's baked. Glamour shots. Oh yeah. Look at that pie. I did that. First try. Now let's cut into it and see how it looks. I cut this pie when it was really hot. I shouldn't have cut it when it was hot. Because it just came out of the oven. And now it's like soup. And it there it goes. There it is. It tasted like a pie. The end.